Want to boost your Spectrum router's performance? Let's dive into the key elements that affect your internet speed. Wi-Fi channel selection, MTU adjustment, QoS configuration, and router placement. Each of these factors directly impacts data throughput, latency, and overall stability. Think of it like tuning an engine. Optimizing each part leads to better overall performance. We'll explore how recent developments like Wi-Fi 6E and AI-driven optimization tools are shaping the future of Spectrum routers and highlight practical steps you can take today to improve your internet experience. Wi-Fi channel selection helps avoid interference from neighboring networks. MTU adjustment optimizes packet size for efficient data transfer. QoS configuration ensures smooth performance for critical applications. Proper router placement maximizes signal strength and coverage. Recent developments, like Wi-Fi 6E and AI-driven optimization tools, are shaping the future of Spectrum routers. Stay tuned as we break down these concepts and show you how to implement them.